Hi from our workshop and welcome to our channel. In this video I will present our new CNC software, simply called ProbeXYZ. The software uses a standard touch plate to accurately find the zero work coordinates of your material right at the top front left corner. It is a plugin built into the UCCNC software. Clicking the Configure button opens a window where you can set up shortcuts for a faster plugin startup, which I highly recommend. Here you will find a field to enter button ID. It should be equal here, and with click on button, font will appear. Also, my favorite combination on keypad is Ctrl plus P. Before starting the probing sequence, make sure your wiring is working correctly by touching the probe to the tool. The sound and the lathe indicator on the plugin window must register this touch. Before starting the probe cycle, don't aim the tool near the hole. Jog it roughly to the center of the plate. And now, finally, full XYZ probing cycle. I'm setting the start delay to 8 seconds, which count down while I walk over to the touch plate. Follow the numerical display in the top left corner to track the movement of all axes. And now I will click the Go to Zero button. The tooltip will move exactly to the corner of the material, and that is exactly what we were looking for. Take a look. And now we have one Z probing sequence, but with a special feature. Depending on the material thickness, we will set a new Z- soft limit. This is useful if the tool goes deep into the material and you want to ensure it does not dig into your table. The new Z- soft limit value is entered and accepted for this session, but it's not permanently saved. That choice is now up to the user. And for the end of the video, here is one last look on the plugin window. If you think we deserve it, please support us with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.